Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make the Wicked Good Nourishing Masala Noodles. So this is from the brand Wicked Good, and today we are going to prepare these noodles. So these are not your regular noodles. First of all, these are not your normal instant noodles which are made of Maida and they have palm oil and MSG and stuff in it. So this brand, which is Wicked Good, claims this to be completely made out of whole wheat. There's no maida, no palm oil, no added MSG in this product. And you can see all of this on the packaging itself. The branding is right here, Wicked Good. And the name of the product is Nourishing Masala Noodles. And on this side they are given you the steps in which you can make this cup of noodles. Very easy, ready in just 4 steps. Open the lid, remove the foil, fill the cup with hot water to the inner line, close the lid and wait for 2 minutes. Open lid, stir the noodles until submerged in water and wait 5 to 6 minutes with lid closed. Remove the lid, stir well and then enjoy. Shelf life is 12 months of this product. Net weight is 67 grams that we get in this. MRP of this product is rupees 69. And here are the ingredients I am made of. These ingredients: instant noodles are made from whole wheat flour, which is atta, rice bran oil is used, salt, wheat gluten, stabilizers, humectant, acidity regulators. Seasonings are spices and condiments, which I use as chili, coriander, cumin, pepper, turmeric, fennel, fenugreek, salt, sugar, vegetable powder, made of garlic, onion, maltodextrin, edible starch, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, dried vegetable like peas, kasuri methi, coriander, potato starch, flavor enhancers are there. So it says guilt-free indulgence, pinky promise. Okay. 67 grams of this noodle packs in a total of 283.45 calories, of which 6.74 grams of proteins, carbs are 41 grams, sugars are 1.34 grams, 0.67 grams of added sugar more, dietary fiber is 9.05, total fat content is 10 grams, out of it saturated fat is 4.78 grams, trans fat is 0.07, cholesterol is 0.67. Now that is about what is there on the packaging. On top it says Wicked Good Nourishing Masala Noodles again, and no maida, no palm oil, no added MSG, approved by moms, loved by kids, and whole wheat. So when I open it, inside is a foil. We tear the foil open. There's a masala packet that has come in. There's a fork which has come in to mix, so you have a fork as well. And then there are 2 cakes of noodle in it, like this, like a normal Maggi noodle looks like. But these are made from wheat atta. So just gonna break the cake. I'm gonna drop it so that I don't have to break it later. I'm just gonna make it into smaller pieces so that it is easier to eat. And now inside the packaging, if you'll see, there's a green line, you can see that. So you'll have to fill water till the green line, add the masala and close the lid and let it set till the noodles become soft. I'm just going to remove the silver foil a bit so nothing comes in my mouth when I'm eating it. Just going to tear this open. So I have a glass of boiling hot water with me right now. Just going to add that boiling hot water into this cup till the point which they have asked us to add. So here it goes, the water is going in. So I've added the hot boiling water right now, and into this I'm just going to submerge the noodles. Let them get submerged in. Now along with the noodles I have the masala pack right here. So very different from the other kappa noodles that you get. You get everything already mixed in to the box itself. Yeah, they are given it separately. So like I have eaten the Maggi cup of noodles, the Nissin cup of noodles. All of them come already prepared. You just need to add hot water and it's ready. Here you have to actually add the masala and then let it submerge it and then give it a stir. So we'll let it set little bit. And we have to close the lid and keep it for 2 minutes so that it gets soft and cooked. So we'll just I filled it with water and just kept it right now. So we'll wait for 2 minutes and we'll check it. And then we have to open it after 2 minutes and stir the noodles and then we can enjoy it. So now guys, it's been 2 minutes, so we'll just quickly open it and we'll give it a good stir for the noodles. And we'll let it set again for like another 3 to 4 minutes. The fork isn't stable here, like it keeps bending. I didn't like that fact. I'm trying to stir and the fork bends, see this? So it's not stable. Like you'll have to take another spoon to stir it, I feel. I'm trying hard to stir it with this fork. Finding it very difficult. We'll let them settle in for another 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, now it's been 4 minutes after stirring. So a total of 6 minutes we have taken to prepare this noodles. And the noodles seems to be prepared. So now we are going to do a quick taste test of the Wicked Good instant masala noodles, Nourishing Masala Noodles. So here I go. I don't like this fork. See again, I'm trying to do a taste test, but the fork is bending. And guys, this is the taste test of the Wicked Good Nourishing Masala Noodle. You can see all the condiments on the noodle. All green color condiments can be seen, and there are green peas also which can be seen. Pretty hot. The aroma is very pleasant. It has a mild spicy aroma to it. And now we are going to do a taste test. On the looks of it, it looks similar to the Maggi noodle, like the instant noodles. But taste wise, it is pretty different. You don't get that similar taste like you would get from a Maida instant noodle. It's a bit on the chewier side. But the masala compensates for that lack in taste. So if you are looking to have something healthy, this is a good option compared to masala noodle, Maggi noodle, which would be made out of Maida. This is made out of whole wheat, so you can try this out. So overall the taste is good, the masala taste is good. The noodles are a bit too chewy because they are made of whole wheat and not Maida. So it had to be chewy. So overall review, I would say not like a normal cup of noodles that you would expect. This is like a healthier version to it. But definitely the taste lacks. The masala taste is good, but the feel of the noodles isn't. It is on the chewier side. It doesn't feel like a regular noodles. But if you are going for something healthy, then a little bit of change does come in. So yeah, if you are going to try this Wicked Good Nourishing Masala Noodles, let me know your experience in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. And guys, if you are looking to buy this, it's available online. I'll have the link in the description below so you can purchase it from there.